Yes, people, welcome to a new video of Stumble Guys, and I make a quick update video because there is of course an update available of Stumble Guys, and I'm gonna show you how to do it and how to fix it if this will not work on your iPhone or Android phone or whatever phone you have. Yeah, it needs to work and it should work, so here we go. I'm gonna help you. First thing, you have to search for the right icon, Stumble Guys. If this is your icon, you are ready to go. Yes, this blue animal in the pink background is the newest version of Stumble Guys. Yes, if this is not your version, people, you need to update. Okay, if the old icon is if the old icon is now on your screen, you need to update and you go to the App Store. In the App Store, we go search for Stumble Guys. And of course, I already searched for it because I want to know for sure if my version was updated. Well, we see Stumble Guys. And if this is not your version, you see here open. And if this is not your version, you see, of course, update. Well, some iPhones or some Android phones have a really hard time updating games or updating apps. If you don't see update, what you can do is the following thing. You go to your settings. We go to settings. Here are my settings. And you go to general. And you can press at the last button, you can press shut down. You press your iPhone over again. Or you start over again your iPhone or your Android phone or whatever phone you have. Yes, if this doesn't work, yes, the last thing you can try to put your internet connection off and on or change to another Wi-Fi connection. Well, if that doesn't work, well, you can do I think if you try the other options, this will work, this wouldn't work also, but you can delete your Stumble Guys app. You hold the button of your icon on iPhone, of course, and you remove the app and you delete app. Don't remove it from the home screen, but delete it completely. And then you can download it again from the App Store, of course. Yes, guys, if I helped you, please smash that subscribe button. That would really help me. And I wish you a very good day. Thank you.